Hey, Leilani here, once again, your a digital mentor from Alberta, Canada. Kumusta sa mga katulad kong immigrants, OFWs, and working moms? Diba, we left our comfort zone back home to give a better life for our family. Pero bakit parang pagod ka pa rin? Why does it still feel like kulang? You deserve income that lets you breathe, not just survive. That's why I started a digital business. Kasi I want time freedom, extra income. No digital business experience. I am not even a tech savvy. Just guidance and willingness to learn. If I can start, you can too. You sacrifice a lot to be where you are. It's time to build something that gives back. Comment me if this is your story too. ME.